Lot F122 is a 1979 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck with a 5.7-liter V8 engine and an automatic transmission, and it bid to $46,000 but did not sell on Friday, June 5th. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 89,331 miles. And the highlights are 350 cubic inch, 5.7 liter V8 engine, 2.5 inch dual exhaust, Borla S-type stainless steel mufflers, Turbo 400 automatic transmission, nut and bolt frame-off restoration completed in May 2026, receipts included. Factory short bed with Silverado and Big Ten option packages, tilt steering column, cruise control, air conditioning, sliding rear back glass, factory AM/FM stereo, heavy-duty brakes, heavy-duty front and rear springs, 12-bolt rear differential, front lowered using Magoggy's 2.5-inch drop spindles, rear lowered using Beltec 4-inch drop spring hangers, Beltec Street Performance shocks. The frame has not been notched. US mags 20 by 8.5 inch front and 20 by 10 inch rear. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.